how to dropship on eBay from Amazon. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process to dropship from Amazon to eBay without using any application or paid version application. And in this video I will guide you with the easiest strategy and tools to start dropshipping on eBay even you are a beginner. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. As you know guys, eBay and Amazon is one of the most e-commerce platform on the United States. That's why I'm using eBay, because it gives you the ability to sell any product from and import any product from Amazon to eBay even you are not living in the United States. That's guys, first guys you need to create an account on eBay and also Amazon. Then you need to open a new browser and the search bar type amazon.com/bestseller. Then automatically it will take you directly to Amazon bestsellers on United States. Then guys, if you want to import and dropship any Amazon product to your eBay, so make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to dropship any Amazon product and also any platform, e-commerce platform, to your eBay account without using any application. That's guys, first you need to open Amazon products. For example, I pick a random product. For example, as you see guys, this is the best selling product on Amazon. As you see guys, is the best seller on United States. Then guys, if you like this product, for example, just you need to go and open a new browser and the search bar type AliExpress, Amazon, or you need to search for this product on AliExpress, because it's you will buy it on AliExpress with the cheapest price. Then guys, for example, just go and you need to add this extension. The extension is named AliExpress search by image. Automatically when you find the product on Amazon, just you need to select, right click and search goods by on AliExpress by image. It will take you guys directly to find the similar product on AliExpress. Then guys, wait a few seconds to find the similar product on AliExpress. It's take a few seconds. I think it's a custom product this. Then if you don't find this product, just go back and select another product. Just it's very easy guys. For example, this product guys. Then guys, after finding your winning product on Amazon, just make sure to take the simple steps to dropship this product from Amazon to your eBay without using guys any fulfillment application or any dropshipping application, because guys this application it's not working for the long time because it's paid version application. Then guys, you need to, for example, right click again and search goods by image on AliExpress. Then it will take you guys directly to find this similar product on AliExpress. You can also use Alibaba, it's the same platform on China. Then can be buy this product with the cheapest price. For example, this is the same product. As you see guys, the product on Alibaba it's $12. Then when you go to AliExpress, it's only $4.13 guys. It's very cheap. Then you can easily dropship it and send it between 5 to 14 days. Then guys, after finding the product on AliExpress, just go back and open eBay. Then make sure guys to tap the similar, not the similar, exactly the similar, because always don't use the same title on Amazon. You need to use the same title on eBay. Just go and copy this title and go and open eBay. It's very easy guys, and paste it, and then it will give you the similar product. As you see guys, it's sold with $14 guys. I guarantee you that 100% this one is a dropshipper. Then guys, for example, when you find the product, make sure to find the best selling product and make sure to open this product, and you need to copy the same title for this product. Then guys, we have the product on AliExpress and also the product on eBay. Then you need to copy the similar description and the title and the specification product on eBay. And you need, if you want to import this picture, just go and open a new browser and you need to install an application. His name AliSave Plus. This extension guys it gives you the ability to download any AliExpress application. Just you need to go and open a new browser and tap AliSave plus extension, AliSave search by image, product search by image, because I have already uploaded this extension. If you don't have, you will be able to download this extension. This extension, guys, you will be able to download any AliExpress image. Then guys, go back and open your eBay account, or you can just sell it directly. Hit on sell now, then it will take you directly to sell the same product on your eBay by using the same title. Then guys, if you want to add the picture, just go and find the similar product on eBay. Sorry, first guys, you need to go back and, for example, this same product, it's very easy, guys, to dropship and be a dropshipper on eBay and import any Amazon product to your eBay. Then guys, if you want to download this image, just reload the page. As you see, guys, you will be able to download any AliExpress or videos and also image description image on your AliExpress account. Then wait a few seconds. As you see, guys, you can easily this extension, guys, it's help you to download the main image, variation image, and description. Then for example, just you need to hit on main image, then wait a few seconds to download this main image. Then you will be able to use it for your listing. It's very easy, guys. So make sure to finish this video until the end, then make sure to hit like and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Then guys, after download this video, download this picture, as you see, guys, automatically the picture, it will be downloaded. Then you need to open the listing section, then again open the pictures, and you need just to drag it and select which picture that you want and drag it. Then automatically the pictures will be added to your product listing on eBay. Then guys, after adding the product, make sure to customize the price, because guys, you need to reduce the price, guys, because the product, this seller put the product with $40, but you need to reduce the price by for example 40 or I prefer to 39.99, because guys, the product is only less than $1 on AliExpress. Then guys, after finding the product and customizing everything on your listing product, then hit on list now. Then guys, this is the easy method to dropship any Amazon product on eBay. But guys, I have also the second method to find the dropshippers on eBay. It's a profitable and it's work with me and other people I know. Just you need to find the dropshipper on eBay. For example, this one is a dropshipper, guys. The product is coming from China, but the seller it's from another country. That's one, guys, is a dropshippers. Then guys, hit on visit profile, automatically you will find the product. It's the seller account, it's from another country. As you see, guys, hit on about. As you see, guys, the product is coming from China, but the seller from Norway. That's why I'm talking about this is the dropshippers, guys. Just you need to spy it. For example, just hit on shop and scroll down to the bottom to spy every product or every sold product on his account. Just for example, hit on see all, then it will take you directly to see all his products. Just you need to customize it on the left side and select the only sold item. Then guys, it will give you the ability to select only sold item on his account. Just you need to pick this product and list it on your account. Just you need to reduce the price. As you see, guys, this is the easy method to dropship on eBay, even you are a beginner, and also without using any paid version application or any application. The similar process to dropship on eBay without no prior experience or no prior dropshipping experience. So guys, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.